Hi, today I'd like to show you my new smash burger kit I got off of Amazon. So it comes with 2 bottles. I usually use one for water, one for oil. A 12-inch basting dome with a handle. You have to put the handle on yourself, but it's only 2 screws and takes about 30 seconds. I've got a 6-inch smasher. Got the spatula, it's about 6 by 5, and the edges are beveled a little, so you can easily cut and chop with those too if you need, if you don't want to just use it as a spatula. Sometimes I chop up chicken with it, so that's good. It comes with a little shaker. I think it probably holds about a cup maybe. So it has a nice cover on it, so if you accidentally knock it over, they won't go spilling out. And you just take the lid off, fill it, and it's ready to go. And I will show you this on the griddle. Okay, we're gonna start with the hamburger. You just put it on the grill. Get your smasher to do it easier, make it easier to clean and get off here. I always use a piece of parchment paper or wax paper and put it on top, and then I smash it down. And that's all you have to do. It makes nice uniform patties when you use the smasher. There we go. I've already got it oiled and ready to go. Before I put those on, and then I will season them. I think I'm gonna wait a minute, and then I'm gonna steam them under the dome, and I'll be right back with you. I just let them cook for a tiny bit, so, and I season it on the other side. I'm gonna put water around it, and then put the dome on top so it will finish cooking and cook. The dome, I think, makes it cook faster. It steams it, keeps it moist. It'd be great for vegetables. I use that a lot for vegetables, keeping them moist and steaming it, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. These are almost all done. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to flip these with this nice wide spatula. Makes it super easy. You can press on them again. Everything that stainless steel is dishwasher safe, easy to clean. If you don't want to put it in the dishwasher, you can hand wash it, but what makes it easy is that you can just throw it in the dishwasher and it's clean and ready to go the next time. The burger press helps make these all a nice uniform, same size and thickness. This is a really great set, and I think you'll really like it.